Hi guys, I'm Kiki and today I'm going to do another what I eat in a day video, since that seems to be what is really helpful for you guys to see how I eat now that I've lost 40 pounds. And yeah, it's really simple, really basic, and you guys ask me a lot. So I'm going to try every week to load a what I eat in a day video as well as a breakfast recipe and lunch and dinner recipe, so you guys can see the types of foods we ate when we transition to this lifestyle, as well as how simple and whole food we eat now. Okay, so breakfast. I am going to steam up some cabbage and have a big bowl of oatmeal, because lately that is just my favorite breakfast. And I am going to show you this time what my breakfast looks like after I get it put together. I forgot to do that last time and it got uploaded and then it's too late to take it down and edit it. I haven't been on a PC in over 10 years and I am learning, and it is a rough go. So anyway, bear with me. Let's get breakfast put together. All right, guys, here is my breakfast. As you can see, I have my huge bowl of purple cabbage with that cranberry pear balsamic vinegar. It's so good. And then big bowl of steel cut oats with a bunch of fruit on top. Sometimes I sweeten it with a little stevia. Sometimes they don't. It's up to you. I used to use a little bit of maple syrup. In the beginning, I used brown sugar, and I've just slowly been cutting back because my face does not like sugar or fat. So do what you want. This keeps me full for a long time. It's about 7:30 in the morning right now, and I won't eat again till anywhere between 12:30 and 1:30, somewhere in there. So I'm gonna eat my breakfast, and then I've got to go through literally 3 boxes of clothes because I am now 40 pounds later, so all of my clothes no longer fits. All right, guys, this is all the clothes I got. I can't believe pretty much nothing fits. So I'm going to take this to the secondhand store and see what they'll take and then donate the rest. Now I'm going to take this cute guy on his walk. Oh my God, I'm coming. So it's 7 after 1. I told you guys I eat kind of late. So I'm gonna have a salad. I just put boxed greens and chopped up a strawberry and put some of my cabbage from my cabbage bag that I make my breakfast stuff out of. And then I'm gonna put coconut balsamic vinegar over that. And then for my main course, I'm gonna have just like this burrito bowl, and I've got pinto beans, brown rice, some leftover square potatoes that my kids threw in the air fryer this morning, salsa, plant cheese, and then lime and cilantro. And I eat that with these baked tortillas that I make. I just put them in the oven and bake them until they're crispy. I don't know how else to eat salad. I just kind of shove it in there. I know it's not okay, but I don't know what else to do. I am stuffed, cannot eat anymore. That is such a filling meal, guys. I probably seriously won't be hungry until like 7 o'clock tonight. So I'm gonna go run some errands. I need to take all that clothes to the store and see if they'll take any of it. Yeah, and I will probably work out. Lately, I've been feeling like I have a ton of energy. I know, like I've shared with you guys, that I lost all this weight just walking every day, but like the last 2 weeks, I still walk every day and I feel like I have so much energy that I need to burn through. So last week I started doing these HIIT workouts that I did years ago, and I love them. They're by Wicks. I just turned his YouTube channel on. So I just got to the store. I'm gonna take my clothes in. I think getting too old to try to sell my clothes here. They try to reach like a teenage and 20-somethings demographic, and I am neither of those, so wish me luck. All right, so I made out with $124, which is awesome, and then I'm just gonna go and donate the rest real quick. I'm gonna prep for dinner real quick. We're nowhere near having dinner. It's only 3 p.m., but I'm gonna throw these in the oven at 425. They're just Yukon Gold potatoes, and I'm gonna throw them in for about an hour. I'm gonna go get my kids from school. I still need to work out, so I'm gonna get the potatoes cooking in the meantime. All right, so I'm getting ready to do a HIIT workout. This is Wicks. I love him. He has such a great personality and he's easy on the eyes. He's super cute. And my husband knows it. My husband knows I have a little crush on Joe Wicks and that I enjoy, you know, sweating with him. All right guys, just finished my 20-minute workout. You're not working that whole time with him. There's a lot of resting in there. He does such a good job. I love this guy. Make sure you check him out. As you can see by my sweat, I got a pretty good workout, super quick. I got my workout done. I got those baked potatoes out of the oven. And then I just make a baked potato bar tonight for all of us. No, we don't eat this fancy, but I need the picture for the Instagram. So it's really easy. I'm gonna show you guys. Oh, if I don't drop everything. So I just have the baked potato and I put steamed broccoli in it. I had leftover mushrooms from our Asian food last night, some green onions and some cheese sauce. I also love a little of this vegan Worcestershire sauce on top of it. And I always have a big jar of cheese sauce made. This one is fat-free. This one is potato, carrot, powdered garlic, powdered onion, some salt and nutritional yeast, and lemon. So good. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. All right, guys. There is my plate, my loaded potatoes, baked potatoes. So delicious. I'm gonna eat this up. This is 2 medium-sized potatoes. I'll probably have one more. I don't know. After working out, I don't feel super hungry, but we'll see. And then I eat this with a little bit of ketchup. I'm trying to cut back on the sugar-laden ketchup, but it's hard. I love ketchup. So it's about 8:30 and I tend to turn in pretty early, between 9:30 and 10. But I tend to also be a night snacker, and I am having a cup of frozen sweet cherries from Whole Foods. They are my absolute favorite. And that's my how I eat in a day video. I hope that gives you guys some ideas and helps you see how simple you can eat. It really is delicious. I love eating this way. I didn't always eat this simple, so if you're just starting out and you're thinking that my food looks way too plain, it probably is too plain for you right now. When I first started, I ate a lot more variety. I had a lot more pastas in my diet and cereals, rice cakes, things like that, crackers. And that's okay. If that's where you're starting, just get going, and the longer you stick at it, the more you'll have results and the more your food choices will refine themselves. So I hope to see you guys around. Remember, you can find me on Instagram at Plantiful Kiki and Facebook as well.